In this video, we are going to take a look at how to make beautiful art in DALL-E. Open the browser that you prefer and type in labs.openai.com. And I need to tell you that this software is not free. You have to buy credits that are like $15 for 115 images that you can generate with it. So you'll need to create an account and buy credits to use this software right now. Once you're at this interface of DALL-E right here, here is the area where we enter our prompts, to which DALL-E responds by generating images. So I'm thinking of something like a princess playing violin, and we'll just put the prompt in. An impressionist oil painting of a princess playing violin in moonlight. So I'll just generate. I'll click on generate and DALL-E will respond with the images. It does take a bit of a while, so you'll have to be patient. Oh, these are quite good. And you can see this one. I quite like this one. We can even make an addition in the prompt. So I'll just put in vine and creepers in the background. Let's see what DALL-E responds to this right now. I'll click on generate. Oh, you can see DALL-E did a pretty good job with it. It has presented 4 paintings to us that are quite nice. I quite like this one. This is good too. This is pretty. So I'll go back, and this is how you generate images in DALL-E. So you have to be specific with your prompts that you put in. And if you don't know about art styles or how to put your prompts into DALL-E, I'll link a prompt book in the description with which you can learn how to engineer your prompts to get the images you want. So thank you. Please like, subscribe and support this channel.